I have already been surprised once today. There's a queen, but she's not marked. There's a brand new queen. Surprise number 2 for the day. You want to see a brand new queen? Over here at the bee yard this morning, I need to do some rearranging of a few hives and see about some hives that might be queenless. I have a plan, but there's always surprises and I always have to adjust. So we shall see what today holds. And don't let me forget to add these as I go. Swiffer dry cloths help with small hive beetles. Put them in and they get trapped on it. Doesn't bother the bees, but small hive beetles hate it.
And that was my warning. This hive has been known to be a little bit spicy. I have 16 hives now, and I kind of know their personalities. I could tell that they were a bit on edge, so this is the definition of standing my ground. Literally just standing there, letting them bump into me, using my smoker on me, not on the bees. Just giving myself some smoke, letting them calm down, and giving them some space. Honeybees recognize people, so they know it's me. Just that it's early and I haven't seen them in a while.
Hey guys, it's me. I know, I haven't been in here in a while. Settle down. Well, that's interesting. There's my queen. Awesome. There she is. Oh, you went the wrong way. There she is. Back to work. I need to mark these frames. This frame has no foundation in it. It's just a frame, and they created this all on their own. There's a queen, but she's not marked. She keeps going back and forth. She's the only one in the queen catcher right now. So, pretty easy to see her. Right there with her white dot. And there she goes. Stay. I have already been surprised once today with the new queen in the Sadie Hive. There's a brand new queen. You want to see a brand new queen? Oh, but are you sure that's a queen? Yes, I'm sure that's a queen. Look at the dark black big thorax. Her wings are shorter than her abdomen. She is mated, but brand new. Not gonna mark her yet, but surprise number 2 for the day. Brand new queen. Right above my thumb. There's a queen. There's a brand new queen. Right there at my thumb. Awesome. There she is, right in the middle of the frame. Alright, I'm gonna put her back. So, Beeatrice does have a queen, but she is so brand new, I'm not gonna mark her, I'm not gonna mess with her. I'm just gonna put the hive back together and check on them again in a few weeks. Good, good, good. There is capped brood, which means there is a queen. Brand new eggs and larvae. Where are you, beauty? That is exactly what I want to see. Wow. That's a beautiful frame. Honey around the outside, capped brood in the middle. Look at that brand new baby bee. She's so fuzzy and new. They're so cute when they first come out. All white and little and furry. We are looking for another brand new queen. And there's the new queen. You see her? Finally, back out onto the frame. Taking her sweet time. All right. On that note, let's put this hive back together. Brand new, beautiful laying queen. Here's Trace's queen. Alright, that's all I wanted to show, and I'm done.